Hey, I got 3 simple websites designed to help you make money online. These side hustles, work from home gigs. Look, this is what you need in your life. Nobody really knows about them. They're still somewhat secrets, but today I'm revealing them to you today. Make a good part-time to full-time living doing these things right here, and you don't have to get a regular job. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on? Antonio Carter here, Operation Emancipation Occupation, helping you get freedom from your 9-to-5 jobs. I teach all things making money online, typically affiliate marketing, social media marketing, Facebook ads. I do everything when it comes to making money online. If I teach it, I've done it. In this case, I'm going through some websites for you. I must admit, I have not done some of these things, but these are proven methods that do work. And you'll see why I haven't done them, because I just simply don't fit for some of these things, but they may fit for you in your situation. And right now, 2022, we have a lot of people looking for alternatives to sitting at a 9-to-5 desk job, and this can very well work for you. So go ahead, sit down. I'm going to run through this very quickly so that you can have the necessary information needed as I go through the top 3 websites designed for you to make a side hustle in 2022. All right, guys, you're on my website, and this is just me flipping over to my desktop. Go ahead and check it out, Operation Emancipation Occupation. You'll see a lot of cool stuff outside of what I'm teaching you today. Let's go ahead and jump right into this. These websites, I have to be straight up upfront with you. There's tons of websites and apps that you can use in order to accomplish the same thing, right? We're in the 21st century. Stuff is coming out every day, right? Especially if you're here in America. Forget that. Not even that you're here in America. You're living in today's time. It is a global economy. There is no excuse that you cannot go out and make a really good income for you and your family if you have one. That's dependent on you to put food on the table on the internet. All right. First one that I'm going to go through. Let's go ahead to Google so I can prove to you some of this stuff. We are going to talk about standing in line and getting paid to do that. Yes. Let's see, get paid to stand in line. Yep. And one of the first websites that comes up is Taskrabbit. I already have the tab open and there's options. I'm just going to go ahead and hit that link. Look, boom. Wait in line. Hire a tasker to wait in line for restaurants, special events, and more. The fact is, people don't want to stand and wait, right? This is something where you can get possibly paid, $20, $25, $35 per hour, depending on the event, depending on how much somebody's willing to pay per hour. Think about that, okay? If it's Black Friday and it's cold outside and I want to pay somebody to stand in line for me, I will gladly do that if I'm really serious about getting those Black Friday deals. I will gladly pay somebody $100, $150 for, 4 to 5 hours while they take their little tent and camp out with their own cup of coffee while I get to sleep in the comfort of my bed. Get up, go to the store, and just replace them in line. Okay? Boom. You just made $150 doing something so simple in a few hours. Some more examples. We got Black Friday. We have concerts. I used to be a sneakerhead. I love Jordans, and there used to be huge lines in order to get Jordans, right? Or any type of shoe. Maybe there's a movie premiere. There's all types of reasons that somebody would pay you to stand in line. So if you think about it, if they're paying you and you're thinking about all these different events, right? You can really not only just make a good income for one session or one task or one event. If you make this a real legitimate thing, right? You can do this for multiple stores, multiple events during a week or during a day, right? Find all of the grand openings that's going on in your city and see if people are looking for those who will stand in line. They need somebody to stand in line for you. So, you get what I'm saying. I'm getting my words mixed up here. So imagine being able to have the ability to stand in line or sit in line, whatever the case may be, for 2 to 10 hours, right? Depending on the event, depending on the occasion. And it may be like something like a 2-hour minimum. So you're guaranteed to stand in line for at least 2 hours. That's really good money, guys. And this is video or website app number 1. And just very quickly, Taskrabbit has a whole bunch of different things. If I just stick with the shopping delivery category, you can do a whole bunch of things. Grocery shopping and delivery, running errands, Christmas tree delivery, waiting in line, delivery big piece of furniture, which I'm not doing, pet food delivery, baby food delivery. Guys, come on, just pick one and go with it. But this brings me to my second website, and that second website is shoppers.instacart.com. Okay, this website right here, you can download this as an app. What this does, it allows you to go shopping for other individuals. Yes. I believe you need a background check in order to do this, because I wouldn't want no weirdo just popping up at my house. I know that may eliminate some people watching this video and you're really trying to get a second chance at life. I get that. I'm all for that. But you have to pass a background check, I believe. And along with that, if you have a car, it just makes it all that much better, okay? So I would just recommend going through this website and checking it out. You can make some really good money shopping, going to stores, picking up groceries for people. Some people just are not able to go shopping, and some people are just too busy, and some people are just plain lazy. I don't care, because I'm the one getting paid. You can pay me all day regardless of how you feel, all right? Go ahead, start up an account here, shoppers.instacart.com. You don't have to pay for the groceries. You get some type of card to pay with that this website supplies people with, and that way you don't have to pay for the groceries yourself. All right. This has gotten extremely popular after the pandemic. People or pre-ordering their groceries so that somebody else can go pick it up. Why not let it be you? So you have two things, right? You're standing in line maybe in the morning, and then later on in the day you're going to go pick up somebody's groceries. You're already making a full-time income during the day. But let's top things off. What is one more thing that we can do? It's nice outside. You picked up the groceries, you dropped them off to somebody's residence, or we call them old folk home in the South, senior living quarters, whatever you want to call them, senior living housing. Let's top it off by taking our dog for a walk. Guys, wagwalking.com. It's 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock p.m. in the summertime. It's a beautiful day. It's not hot outside. The temperature has gone down. You now will collect a paycheck for walking dogs. Yes. So you have the opportunity to do a couple things. Wag Walking allows you to work with them and do a multitude of different things, right? If you're a pet lover, you would love this job, right? It's available in different cities, different states, and you can do dog sitting, you can do dog walking. It's a plethora of different things. I would recommend definitely looking at this website. I know a celebrity dog trainer. He's phenomenal at dog training, and so this would be perfect for him. Boarding, health, drop in. You can just drop in for a few minutes and play with somebody's doggy for 20 minutes. I mean, come on. Like, really? You're paying me to come over for like 2 hours to play with your dog? You really can't take the time out to... Anyway, I get paid for it. So this is what I recommend that you guys do. This is an excellent place to start off if you're looking at developing a side hustle, some side income. You need some money right now. You don't want to go out and get a job. You don't want to get a part-time job. You don't want to necessarily go on Upwork.com and kind of hustle a little bit. There's a video I got for that when it comes to winning proposals. But you don't want to work as a freelancer. You're trying to develop skills. Look, you're not going back to school in order to get a degree, right, and pay $40,000 to $60,000 for a master's degree or something. This is how you get money quickly, very quickly. With these 3 websites that I showed you, you should easily be able to hit $100 to $200 per day. That's very good money right there. All right, or more, right? Anyway, I hope these tips and tricks has helped you. If you have any other cool ideas, drop that down below. As a matter of fact, I have a question for you in the comments. What side hustles do you have going on that I didn't mention here in this video, along with their websites? Let me know what you got going on and how you're making money as a side hustle, making that side income, that money, getting the bag, right? But go ahead, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you want me to create more content like this and you love it. Please let me know. Also in the comments, give me a thumbs up. And last but not least, being that I'm an affiliate marketer, I show people how to make money online. If you're interested in learning how people are generating six-figure incomes in 6 to 9 months, extremely profitable online business is how I run my business as well. I got a link for that down below. I advise you to go ahead and check it out. We'll see you guys later.